Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We've got another dry rot structural repair job, and what you're looking at here is kind of a complicated mess. This has been a cantilever deck that's been leaking. All of the framing is rotted. We've got rot in the joist. We've got rot and termite damage that's gone down to the structural support that's holding up this whole corner, and the rot continues down the side. We have similar situation here. You can see all the dry rot in the fascia. This is from the stucco and the deck, and there was a decorative piece here that was leaking, and all of this has got rot in it. The header beam is rotted, and over here we have more rot over here. So there's quite a bit of rot, and this is kind of the combination of a cantilever deck, a failed waterproofing system, and some bad fascia details, and all of this has to be remedied. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another dry rot structural repair job, and we'll keep you posted. Thank you.